Welcome to the 60-second update with the Royal Air Force in Exercise Pitch Black in Australia. Exercise Pitch Black involves 20 Air Forces and 140 aircraft taking part in counter-combat training. The opportunity to train alongside international partners strengthens our alliances so that we're all ready to fly and fight. An Irish Air Corps maritime patrol aircraft has visited an RAF station for the first time. The Casa C-295 aircraft from 101 Squadron Irish Air Corps was at RAF Lossiemouth to engage with Poseidon crews as two of their air forces seek to strengthen their maritime search and rescue cooperation. Wraparound childcare capped hourly rates have been updated for the 2024-25 academic year. Search DefNet for more information. An RAF Typhoon made history at RIAT when it completed its first public display on a blend of sustainable aviation fuel and regular jet fuel. Using sustainable fuel enables us to maintain our ability to operate anywhere using our own fuel provision. RAF Music has been awarded the Strike Command Efficiency Trophy at the annual Global Enablement Conference. The award recognises the force that has consistently performed to the highest standard and demonstrated the ethos of GE. Congratulations. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.